Hey everyone, if you need access to your IRS records, files, taxes, or verify your identity online in 2025, you'll need an ID.me account. Here is a quick step-by-step guide to get you verified fast. Open your browser, go to ID.me, then you can sign up from the top right corner, and also you need to scroll down. Then you will find the IRS option here in the federal services. There are all the steps here and you can connect your account from here following these steps. I will describe you the steps in a small part of this video here. Step 1, select connect with id.me. As you can see, then you can create your account if you still haven't, or if you already have it, then just sign it. Select sign in with id.me if you already have an id.me account. Step 4, if you do not have an account, select create an account, create and verify your id.me account. Done. Your id.me login and IRS profile are now connected. You can proceed with accessing the IRS service or application. You can also choose your multi-factor authentication method. You can select the text message authentication app or push notification. Follow the steps to complete the security layer. You may be asked to verify with a photo ID like a driver's license or passport and a quick selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions it shows. It's fully secure and only takes a few minutes. And that's it. Your IRS account is now linked with ID.me. Like, subscribe, and check the description for helpful IRS links. Stay safe and organize this tax session. Thank you so much for watching.